Today, we're tackling a repair on a Newport Brass 8-inch widespread lavatory faucet. Specifically, we've got a stiff cold water handle that's tough to turn. That usually means one thing: it's time to replace the ceramic cartridge. Step 1. Shut off the water. First rule of any faucet repair: always shut off your water valves. Turn them ready-tighty until they're nice and snug. Make sure both hot and cold are off completely before you begin. Step 2. Remove the handle. Let's take a look at how this handle is attached. There are typically two styles: set screws, which need an Allen key, or a top cap with a screw underneath. In this case, we've got a set screw. I've already loosened it ahead of time to save you some time in the video. Now, gently pull the handle off. Step 3. Remove the bonnet. This next part is called the bonnet. It covers and holds the cartridge in place. Bonnet nuts can usually be unscrewed by hand or with a wrench. Step 4. Replace the cartridge. Once the bonnet is off, remove the old ceramic stem. These cartridges have two ceramic plates inside that control water flow when rotated. Install the new cartridge, making sure it's seated properly and aligned. Then screw the bonnet back on. Be sure it's going on straight, not crooked. That's one thing that'll drive me nuts. Step 5. Reattach handle and test. Slide the handle back on and tighten the set screw with your hand. Once everything's snug, turn your water supply back on and test it out. That cold handle should now turn smooth and easy, like new. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more plumbing repair tips.